Hey there, my friend. Have you ever felt like working out is just too hard, too time-consuming, or maybe too painful on your joints? What if I told you that you can burn calories, tone your muscles, and boost your energy, all while staying on your feet and in just 10 minutes? No floor exercises, no equipment, no excuses. This isn't just any workout. It's a standing workout designed for everyone. Whether you're a beginner, recovering from an injury, or just looking for something simple and effective, this is for you. So grab a little space, stand tall, and let's get moving. You'll be amazed at how powerful just 10 minutes can be. Warm up for 2 minutes. Get that body ready. Before we jump in, let's wake up those muscles with a quick warm up. Warming up is like waking your body from sleep. It prepares your muscles, increases blood flow, and helps prevent injuries. So let's do this right. 1. March in place, 30 seconds. All right, start by marching in place. Lift your knees a little higher. Swing those arms. Feel the energy building up in your body. Imagine shaking off all the stiffness, all the stress. This is your time. 2. Shoulder rolls, 30 seconds. Now let's roll those shoulders back in big, slow circles. Release the tension from your neck and upper body. Breathe in and breathe out. Now roll them forward. Loosen up those muscles. We don't just want to move, we want to move freely. 3. Side reaches, 30 seconds. Reach one arm over your head and lean to the side. Feel that stretch along your waist. Now switch, left side, right side. Think of this as opening up space in your body so you can move better, feel better, and look better. 4. Standing twists, 30 seconds. Keep your feet hip width apart and gently twist your upper body side to side. Let your arms swing naturally. This move is like a reset button for your spine. It improves mobility, helps with digestion, and gets your blood flowing. Main workout, 6 minutes. Let's burn calories and build strength. Now that you're warmed up, let's fire up those muscles. These moves are designed to work your whole body, legs, arms, core, and even your heart. No floor, no equipment, just you and your commitment. Let's do this. Number 1. Step touch and arm raises, 1 minute. Step side to side and lift your arms up to shoulder height. Feel that light burn in your arms? That's your muscles waking up. Keep going. Make your movements a little bigger. Let's increase that heart rate. Number 2. Squat and reach, 1 minute. Feet shoulder width apart, lower into a squat, then stand up and reach overhead. Engage your core. Keep your chest lifted. If squatting is hard, just do a small bend. It's all about progress. 3. Knee lifts and punch, 1 minute. Lift one knee at a time while punching forward. Left knee, right knee, punch. Imagine you're pushing away all negativity, all doubts. Feel your core working? That's your powerhouse getting stronger. Number 4. Standing side crunch, 1 minute. Hands behind your head, bring your elbow toward your knee on the same side. Alternate sides, squeeze your obliques. That's your side abs. Want a smaller waist? This is the move for you. 5. Standing leg kickbacks, 1 minute. Step one leg back, squeeze your glutes, and switch sides. This move tightens your legs and lifts your booty. Engage your core and stay balanced. You got this. 6. Power march, 1 minute. Pick up the pace and march with energy. Move those arms, lift those knees. Imagine you're walking towards a stronger, healthier version of you. Cool down for 2 minutes. Breathe and stretch. Wow, you did it. Let's bring that heart rate down with some relaxing stretches. Cooling down is just as important as the workout itself. It prevents stiffness and helps your body recover faster. Number 1. Deep breaths and shoulder rolls, 30 seconds. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Let all the tension melt away. Roll those shoulders back and forward. Doesn't that feel amazing? Number 2. Side stretch, 30 seconds. Reach one arm up and lean to the side. Feel that deep stretch along your waist. Now switch. Stretching makes you more flexible, prevents injuries, and even relieves stress. Number 3. Hamstring stretch, 30 seconds. Step one foot forward, bend the back knee slightly, and reach towards your front foot. Feel that stretch in the back of your leg? That's your hamstring getting the love it needs. Number 4. Chest opener, 30 seconds. Clasp your hands behind your back, open your chest, and lift your chin slightly. This stretch counteracts all that sitting we do every day. Breathe deeply and let it go. Yes, you just completed a 10-minute standing workout, and your body is already thanking you for it. It's not about being perfect. It's about showing up and choosing to move. If you enjoyed this, don't stop here. Do this daily, and you'll feel stronger, more energized, and more confident in no time. Let me know in the comments how you feel after this workout. And if you want more simple yet powerful workouts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, stay active, stay positive, and keep moving forward.